Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for social media. HubSpot provides a powerful platform to streamline your social media efforts, helping you manage everything from a single place. You can connect all your major social accounts, schedule content efficiently, and engage with your audience in real time. This integration saves you valuable time and ensures your social strategy is always aligned with your overall marketing goals, driving better results for your business. Getting started is simple. First, head over to the social tool located in your HubSpot Marketing Hub. From there, you can easily connect all your essential social media accounts, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. Once connected, you can craft your posts, select the platforms where you want them to appear, and then schedule them for precise dates and times. This ensures your content reaches your audience exactly when it's most impactful, all from one convenient spot. Effective engagement is key to social media success. HubSpot allows you to set up monitoring streams to keep an eye on mentions of your brand, specific keywords, and industry trends. You can respond to comments and messages across all your connected platforms directly from the HubSpot interface, ensuring no interaction is missed. This centralized approach helps you maintain a consistent brand voice and fosters stronger relationships with your audience, making every conversation count. Understanding your performance is crucial for continuous improvement. HubSpot provides comprehensive analytics and reporting tools that give you deep insights into your social media efforts. You can easily track key metrics like clicks, impressions, and audience growth across all your platforms. These reports help you identify what content resonates most with your audience and determine the best times to post, allowing you to refine your strategy and achieve even better results over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.